At Esprit Automation, we love solving engineering problems. For more than 30 years, we've applied our passion for solutions to industrial cutting applications. For customers seeking a larger machine for precision heavy-duty cutting with the optional flame cutting capability, we developed the Lightning S. The Lightning S is available in a wide range of sizes and can be specified up to 3 meters wide and 20 meters long. Thanks to the increased gantry clearance height, the Lightning S is ideal for cutting flat plate and steel sections. The low-profile precision rails of the Lightning S deliver the high machine stability required for precision plasma cutting. Since 1990, Esprit have partnered exclusively with Hypertherm, the world's leading plasma cutting system manufacturer. This 2 meter by 4 meter Lightning S is cutting 15mm mild steel at 2.3 meters a minute at 170 amps with an XPR 170. The easy-to-use touchscreen control allows simple operation of the machine. Please get in touch for more information.